Hey guys, a very good noon and welcome to our channel. So this video is for Jammu and Kashmir students. So basically MBBS BDS registration for central pool for spouse and children of terrorist attacks, that is terrorist victims, have started. So they can visit the website jkbope.government.in, and on opening the website this interface will appear. They can click on the new notification. As soon as you open that, you will get a prospectus and other attached details that whether you are eligible under this category or not. So basically this registration will end by 17th of November, so go and check it out if you belong to Jammu and Kashmir, because the last date for submission of document for under this category is 17th of November 2 p.m. So stay tuned with the channel for further updates. Thank you.